critically examine the basic assumptions of classical evolutionism. ठीक है. See, you need to understand one thing, that if there is a theory, any theory, it rests on some basic assumptions. What do we mean by assumptions? So, these are things that are taken for granted. Okay, these are something that are taken for granted कि यहां से मैं शुरू कर रहा हूं सोचना. Okay, so what are those basic assumptions of classical evolutionism? So they believed that there exists psychic unity of humankind. Okay, they assumed that societies evolve everywhere, right? And that evolution happening everywhere, that was based on psychic unity. Okay, and this, from here we have the idea of parallel evolution. Okay, second assumption that they have taken, that this evolution take place in fixed stages, savage, barbaric to civilized. Third assumption, that they equated evolution with progress. Okay, next they have taken survival as the evidence of past stages. Okay, isn't it? These are some basic assumptions. Now you have to critically analyze, that means you have to criticize also. So you can take criticisms from Boas, from diffusionists, right, from functionalists. All of these criticize this, right?